What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video. I saw this recommendation on Uncle Jesse's channel and I had to try it out. Stay tuned for what it is. And here's the finished product. Let's give it a shot. You can hear the balls spinning around in there, so I think this thing works great.